Hey guys, what's up, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be cleaning out my backpack and doing an organizational DIY to better prepare myself for hybrid learning, and I hope you guys enjoy. Here are my two backpacks. The first one that you see that has an 8 on it is my volleyball bag, and the one next to it is my school bag. I am going to be cleaning both of them out. Now, to go ahead and start, the first thing is to obviously take everything out of your bag. This is all the stuff that I had in my volleyball bag. In the next clip, you'll see that I organize it to make it look a little less cluttered. As you can see, what was in my volleyball bag is what you can normally find in any other type of sports bag. I had energy chews, money, knee pads, shoes, and a mask. Then I went ahead and reorganized it and put it back in my bag, and I was done. Now moving on to my school backpack, I did the exact same thing that I did with my volleyball backpack. I just took everything out, organized it, and then put everything back in. Now moving on to the DIY that I was talking about, all you will need is a spare shelf, a pen, and a clear or white label. So this shelf I was already using for some of my school stuff, but I also did have some candles and then a mirror on it as well. So the first thing I went ahead and did was clear that off, and then I cleaned it for good measure. So this right here is the label that I used. It was an old recipe label that I had lying around. So what I did with my label was I cut off one square, and that was all I needed for what I needed to do, and then I went ahead and cut off the colored rim except for one side. And the only reason why you don't do one side is so that it's easy to peel off when you're about to stick it onto your shelf. Then I went ahead and wrote down the 2 days that I was going to school, which was Tuesday and Thursday. Then I also wrote down an everyday and a random. I used the Papermate fine tip pen, which I would highly recommend, although if you don't have that, any fine point permanent marker will work as well. Now the first thing that I did was I found the side or the edge that I was going to use to put my label on, and then I just stuck it there and then made sure that it didn't come off. Then I did that with the other 3 labels I made, and then I was done. Honestly, I think it looks really good. My original plan was to actually put dividers in between them, and I don't know if I'm still going to do that, but I will keep you guys updated. You have officially made it to the end of this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!